Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about Euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. Join the Telegram here. It's free Telegram, okay? And if you want to talk to me, you can book one-to-one consultation right here and then check out the brokers. So click on this link and you can check out the Brokers Plus if you want to book consultation with me. And then go and check out everything in your free time. Subscribe, like and share. And you can get the swing robot as well if you want to. So come back to the chart here, starting your top-down approach with a weekly time frame. Massive rejection. Okay, so last week, which ended on 2nd of February, I guess. Okay, so this was your rejection candle in Euro USD in weekly, just like this one previously here, you see. So last time rejection happened, we went down. Okay, so we are looking for the same thing. Coming back to daily time frame, daily we are already down. We are still not confirming the uptrend. Okay, when the up move will be confirmed, I will not tell you. Go and book consultation. Right now we are below the EMA in 4 hour. We are still down. Okay, we will have to wait for a breakout. The breakout will happen either downside or either upside. Okay, so as of now, as per daily, what I see is as of today when I'm recording the video, upside move is not something which is confirmed. Okay, but should you enter short? Why would I tell you? So yeah, I mean, you can see the rejection right here. You can see daily we had like non-stop these three big candles. Okay, this was your move. This could be your pullback. But if you want to know more, then go and book consultation with me. Okay, anyways, we know that Euro USD had been in the uptrend, but as I said, we still do not have confirmation that the move will continue going up as of now. It might, go up after I record the video 24 hours later. But when I'm recording it, this is what I'm saying or this is what I see. So subscribe, like and share. And if you want to book consultation, check out the first link and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.